Assessment submission via TurnItIn. Basics refresher. This video is provided as a refresher of the most basic steps required to make an assessment submission to TurnItIn via the VLE. If you have not viewed our comprehensive video guide on submission via TurnItIn, linked in the description for this video, we strongly advise doing so before attempting to make an assessment submission. To make an assessment submission via TurnItIn, log into the VLE, access the VLE site through which you need to make your submission, and locate the TurnItIn submission point you need to make your submission to. Click on the title of the submission point, and then click the Launch button on the panel that appears. Click the Upload Submission button. This will cause the Submit File panel to appear. You can either drag and drop a file or click the Browse button and use the standard file browser to locate and attach the file that you wish to submit. Selection of a file fully available to your device locally, rather than a document mediated by the cloud, for example, should be regarded as the primary and supported method for file attachment to TurnItIn. The file name of the file you have selected will appear in the submission title field of the panel, if you haven't entered any text in this field. While you can change the submission title to be something other than the file name of the file you have attached, it is generally advised that you don't do this. Click the Upload and Review button at the bottom of the Submit File panel. If the file you have attached is of a type that TurnItIn can display the contents of, you will be presented with a paginated preview of the document. Check that this appears as expected and click the Submit to TurnItIn button. If the file content is not of a type that can be previewed, check that the base details look OK and click the Submit to TurnItIn button. TurnItIn will upload your file and present you with a Submission Complete message. This message automatically disappears after a short delay. After successful submission of a file, it is strongly advised that you immediately then view the submission in TurnItIn, or, where the submission is of a file type that the contents can't be displayed by TurnItIn, download your submission and open it locally to view it. As noted at the start of this video, we've just covered only the most basic steps required to make a file submission via TurnItIn. For information on preparing your file for submission, including anonymity considerations, file types and file size restrictions, resubmission, considerations relating to extensions, checking your submission, and other related information such as reviewing your feedback after marking as complete, please watch the comprehensive TurnItIn submission video linked in the description of this video, or access one of the written guides, also linked in the description.